I wonder where this Ankh-like object came from on Mars. This may be a small piece of jewelry left over from an ancient Martian civilization. This form cannot be natural. I gave an example from Egypt, it looks very similar. It looks like a sarcophagus found in Egyptian tombs. Also, it can be a special shape of the stone because it does not look alien among other stones. I gave an example that is really very similar to a sarcophagus. It looks like it's been there for thousands of years, although it may just be an illusion. I understand that growing mushrooms on Mars is strange, but I think it's possible. I have previously found mushrooms in other places, but similar to each other. It could also be a rock mushroom, possibly a special form of life on Mars. This may be an illusion that will be dispelled as soon as we get closer to this object. The photo does not allow us to make a more detailed analysis, but what we see now looks like a monkey that climbed a rock. I doubt that this is true, eyes can deceive. But it can be an ancient monument, a sculpture. This skull, despite the poor image quality, makes it clear that it is definitely a skull. It looks alien among the sand and rocks, has a different color and smooth shape that glistens in the sun. Smooth, symmetrical eye sockets and nasal cavity, similar to a human skull. It would be interesting to take this skull for research to find out who it belonged to. Here we see the ruins of a rectangular structure that was destroyed many thousands of years ago, only the base remains. But even now you can understand that this is not a natural formation, but the ruins of an ancient civilization on Mars. Even on Earth, it would be interesting to find something like this, not to mention Mars. People need to explore this planet, its past is full of secrets and mysteries. Another ancient tool. I sometimes think that there was a catastrophe on Mars when civilization reached the level of development that we had during the construction of the pyramids in ancient Egypt. I have no doubt that it is a stone. However, it has eyes, a nose, and a mouth with teeth, as well as a head shape. So I assume it's the head of a statue. If you flip the image, you will see an ugly head that belongs to a monster.